Hello, my art students. This video is going to be brief. Hopefully, what I'm going to do is just explain to you how to do today's assignment. Okay, so you are here home. Notice that I have my Zoom information. I'm going to be Zooming Tuesdays and Thursdays from 3:50 to 4:20. If it's a Tuesday or if it's a Thursday around this time, go ahead and click on that link, but don't forget the Adams_2020 passcode or password. Okay, note for attendance, make sure that you log into this Canvas course by class time to be marked present for the day. Okay, because I will be able to see the time and date when you access my course. Alright, so when you're on the home page, you can either click on modules or you can click on this week's activities. When you get there, you should see this week. It looks like e-learning 2D Studio Art week 6. And so far, you have Monday's activities. When you click on Monday, September 28th, it tells you your objective, your standards, and your due now. Now your due now, you're going to try your best to match these 4 terms with A, B, C, and D. How do you do that? Well, then you're going to click reply, and you can copy and paste, and then you can put the number or the letter, depending on how you're going to match. So I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to paste, okay? And so what I can do is simply put, if I'm ready to match, I can put the numbers right in there, okay? But I won't tell you the answers yet, okay? So once you do that, then you can click post reply, and then you will be done with this part. That is your due now or your bell work, okay? So I'm actually going to cancel that because I won't tell you the answers. Okay, so then now, once I do that, then I'm going to click next, and you will get to see something very useful. You'll get to see your Quizlet practice with art terms. I'm going to click there, and I will get to see all of the art terms that we need to study. Okay, and you can also play some games with it. It'll ask you some questions about things like movement, pattern, line, color, form, value, space, unity, etc., etc. Okay, this is just for you to study. This is going to help you with today's activity. Alright, now once you're done with that, you'll have to go back to where you were. And notice I have a lot of tabs up. Okay, so once I'm done with that, then I'm going to go to next. 4 steps to an art critique. Once I can actually just click on the little magnifying glass instead of downloading it, but you can also click and it will download onto your computer on the bottom. Okay, and so then you can see some examples of questions that you would ask in every step of the art critique. Okay, and then I'm going to, once I've read that and I've understood it, I can go ahead and click next. And then here is your assignment. Don't mind my little pop-up. Okay, so click to download the art term study guide. Now you can download this on your computer, and it's going to download. And then I have it up on my computer. Okay, so you're going to need to enable editing, and then you're going to, you can type your name. You can have to double click. So you can type your name up there. Then you can type the period 6-8. Then you'll double click. Line has already been done for you. Okay, so now then you're going to put in your answer. For example, a 2-dimensional 2D flat closed area is shape. Don't mind if it changes a little bit, but you can just type your response there. Okay, you can change your font size. You can erase some of the line. And if you want, this is optional, you can find a shape. Okay, insert shape. Okay, in this case it was easy because there are actual shapes here. Okay, but you can also insert a photo there if you want to make a visual representation, but this part is optional. Okay, fill those in. You've got some principles of design. Okay, now here you're also going to then type in a couple of questions that you would use to describe. And remember, I gave you some things that you can study and get ideas from. Now, once you're done filling in everything, you're going to go to File, Save As. You have to remember where you saved it. I would recommend this PC and maybe desktop because it's easier to find. Okay, and then you're gonna put, you can keep the title, but then you can put your name. I'll put Miss Jackson. Okay, and then I can save. And now it's saved in my computer, but now I need to download it. So how am I going to do that? Well, I've got it. I still got my assignment up. So I am ready. I'm going to submit my assignment. I'm going to click on the top because notice I have submit assignment and upload your saved document. Submit assignment and choose file. So I have to find it. I'm going to go back to the same place that I saved it. So I'm going to go to this PC and desktop, and I'm going to look for Miss Jackson, Study Art Terms, Unit 1. Okay. And then I'm going to click Open, and I notice that it is attached. So then all I have to do now is click Submit Assignment one more time. And yay, there's a celebration, and you know now that you have submitted it. Yes, and you are done with this work. So this work is due by Tuesday by the end of the day. I gave you a little extra time to figure that out. I would recommend trying to do it in the way that I suggested because you will be asked to do more assignments that are similar. Okay, so this is not only a way for you to study for our quiz on art terms, but this is also a way for you to prove that you are able to submit an assignment. And you can always also go into modules. One last thing I'll show you is that if you scroll all the way down, I believe it should be here, you should have some instructional things, how to view and submit assignments. So I just scrolled all the way down to modules, and it tells you how step by step to submit an assignment. Okay, so if you are having any trouble, remember you can always send me an inbox message, Miss Jackson, I need help, and then you'll just let me know from there. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope this video was helpful.